Welcome back to the channel. Got another walk around video for you on a 2019 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium. Let's take a look. Now this 4Runner has the 4.0 V6 and it's paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It is the SR5. Back here, you have plenty of luggage area. You have a max 400 watt inverter, multiple tie down points, and of course those seats fold down flat. You have the 17-inch XD series aftermarket wheels, and they look really nice on this 4Runner. Go inside here and look at some of these features. Right here you have your power windows and locks. Come over here, you have your left and right driver mirrors. Here's your inverter. Go from 100 watt AC 120 volts 400 watts. Your rear window wiper. As for your selection of your menu, volume, cruise control, Bluetooth. This down here is your cruise control. Your little cluster. 42,881 miles, and it still has a long life. Toyotas are known for their reliability. It does have built-in navigation, and of course, you know, Bluetooth, so you have your text messages and things of that nature. Here's your AC climate controls, USB and aux. Here's your 4 high and 4 low. Your rear window rolls down, so like, it's a really nice feature on 4Runners. You do have black leather heated seats right here on the side of the console. That's where your heated seat button is. So come on out, see us, Country Chevrolet. We're located in, oh, look at that. You have some TRD off-road leather seats that were put in. So Country Chevrolet, we're located in Benton, Kentucky. My name is Corey. You can reach me at 270-703-8633. You can also go to our website, and we have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and all those links will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.